What's up guys, Aussie Tool Guy. Today we're looking at Milwaukee's M18 fuel barrel grip jigsaw. Let's check this thing out. Yeah guys, Milwaukee's M18 fuel brushless barrel grip jigsaw from Trade Tools. Absolute powerhouse of a tool. I love this thing. Really nice handle and grip, so you can really get over the top of the work you're doing, and really dial this thing in with the orbital mode. You can switch on and off, and the auto start with a 6-speed settings, which is pretty handy. Also love the tool-free blade change. If that blade gets a bit hot, which is fantastic, you can pop that in and out, and also the plastic cover for that finer material that you might be working with, you can protect. Guys, it wasn't too much I didn't like about this tool. Probably the only few things would be the little plastic parts at the front here kind of tend to fall out, a little bit tacky. I think that's something that can be improved on in the future. But look guys, apart from that, overall fantastic weapon of a tool from Trade Tools. They've got all the Milwaukee tools down there, so make sure you go check those guys out. And this is Aussie Tool Guy with another video, Tools of the Trade. You!